What's going on, everybody? John Viet here from Pressure Wash Academy. Yep, I added a link down below for my new course. Go ahead and check that out. A to Z pressure washing course for everybody who's just beginning in the pressure washing industry. It's going to go over how to go ahead and start your pressure washing business, what pressure washing equipment you need, how to get your name out there with marketing, Nextdoor, Google ads, Facebook ads, WordPress, how to build a legit website with big call to actions. It goes over everything, and I hope you guys have a chance to just go ahead and check that out. Leave a like on this video, and also please leave a comment down below what you guys think of this video. Today I just wanted to share a quick experience with you guys that happened to me today. One of my subscribers gave me a call and said, "Hey, I'm in the area. Can we meet up and go over? I'm just starting a pressure washing business. Can you help me with a few questions?" I said, "Sure, yeah, come meet me here today." And we sat down and talked about building his pressure washing business for about 2 hours. And I feel really great about the progress he's going to make with his pressure washing business, just starting out for the season, doing window cleaning and pressure washing, adding it on as another service to his business. But then that got me thinking, okay, maybe I should make a video to all of my subscribers on, is it even possible to make $5,000 per week with pressure washing? Have you ever heard somebody claim to make $5,000 in pressure washing, $1,000 every single day for one entire week? It's absolutely possibly true. It can happen, okay? That's what I'm trying to say. You can do $1,000 pressure washing in a day, okay? What I want to do is break down your cost and what you're probably going to take home at the end of each night pressure washing, okay? So Monday through Friday, $1,000 per day, that's $5,000 per week. What you need to do is get 4 jobs that total in $250 per job, okay? You're going to wake up early, and you want to go ahead and schedule that first job for about 7 or 8 a.m. And it may take you about 10 hours. So until about 5 p.m., you will finish out your day. Within those 10 hours, you want to schedule 4 jobs worth $250 each, okay? That comes out to $1,000, right? Now, what you have to do is schedule the jobs so let's say you get 20 jobs per week, okay? Schedule the jobs in a similar area, in the same city within the area, so you're not running from one side to another, but it's going to take some time to understand this and know all of that when you're booking your customers. But it's very easy to go ahead and get 4 jobs every single day with just yourself doing it. I think it's achievable, but if you'd like to bring on a second hand, somebody who's going to ride with you in your car, you can pay them from $15 to $20 an hour, coming out to $15 to $20 per hour at 10 hours. That's what I was trying to say. 10 hours per day. That's going to be about $150 to $200 per day. So let's say you're working 10 hours and you're paying them $20 an hour. Okay, that's cash. They're more than happy to get that. When hiring somebody, you do want to get somebody younger, around my age, maybe a little bit older, that is going to work fast and efficient. Okay, so now you're at $800. The other budget is going to go to your expenses. Okay, just starting out here. Okay, don't give me any crap. This is for people just starting out. Like 99% of you guys are just starting out. When you're just starting out, you want to accommodate about $100 to $200 every single day, 5 days a week, to your advertising budget. That can be $100 on Facebook and $100 on Google, or it can be all ad money just towards Google, okay? In another video that I set up, I showed you A to Z how to start a Google ad campaign. Just go back into my videos and check that out. It's definitely worth your time. And I also did a Facebook one as well. That's going to be very helpful for you guys. But $150 to $200 goes to somebody helping. If you decide not to get a helper, then that's free money for you. $100 to $200 5 days a week should go towards advertising budget. $200 per day, that's $1,000 per week. $500 to $1,000. You can spend up to $200 per day just starting out. If you don't have that kind of money, you can tone it down a little bit, but $50 to $100 should be your below minimum on everything advertising, whether that's Nextdoor, whether you're doing the yard signs like I recommended. You wanna spend some good money so that you can, in return, get your money back and start getting jobs to make this $5,000, okay? I know it's not realistic for everybody to spend that kind of money, but when you want to make $5,000 per week, it definitely requires a higher budget on advertising, okay? Don't worry about all the equipment you need and stuff like that. You're going to only be doing basic stuff like cleaning concrete, house washing, pool lanais, and pool decks. Anything in front of the house that's a solid flat surface, the entire house, and anything in the back patio, pools, and where I live, we have the lanais, the screened-in porches. It's very easy to get 4 $250 jobs like that, okay, when you're running $100 to $200 per day on marketing. So if you're spending $100 to $200, you're left with about $900 to $800 profit in your pocket. Tell me some other costs that you guys think down below I'm missing. Gas. The water is already free from your customers. Obviously, when you first get started out, you're not going to go out and buy tons of money worth in insurance. You're not going to go out and buy a big LLC, okay? I understand when you get more employees and you bring on a second hand to help you out, you may want to start looking into that stuff, but your state, most likely, every state's probably different, does not require you to do your neighbor's house with $1 million worth of insurance to cover you cleaning a flat surface concrete with the surface cleaner. Obviously, you guys need to protect yourself, but everything would fall back onto you. But I've never even heard of somebody getting hurt spraying water, okay? That's not what this video is about. I don't want to get into all that, but I'm just saying that you're not going to have a lot of startup cost when you just start your pressure washing business. You may have a small machine, 2.5 gallon, and a few feet of pressure washing hose and some bleach, okay? So your cost isn't going to be crazy. Just focus more on advertising at the beginning, building up your nice reviews, learning the process. But if this is your first season, your second year, your first year doing it full time, it is very achievable to go ahead and make $5,000 per week like nothing, okay? It's very easy. I know guys that are making $2,500 per day with one truck, and they're running 3 trucks at a time, okay? That's $7,500. That's $7,500 per day, okay? And we're just trying to make $5,000 per week and take most of that, 75% of that profit home to ourselves, okay? So I hope this video really helped you guys. I just wanted to talk about it, motivate you guys to go ahead, get started, go get a machine, go rent a machine if you have to, but you need to create a website, you need Google ads, you need Facebook ads, Nextdoor, WordPress. That's all in the link in the description. I've created an entire course for you guys that's going to prove that you can do everything, and all you have to do is, it's right there for you. All you have to do is watch the videos, okay? PressureWashAcademy.co. That's PressureWashAcademy.co. Go ahead and check it out for yourself, and I can't wait for you guys to sign up. Thanks.